Today we're going to make some cheesecake salad. My lovely assistant here is going to do all the prep work. There he is. And this is a cheesecake salad with cheesecake pudding in it. That's why we call it cheesecake salad.
Cheesecake pudding.
So there's the pudding. You buy a box. Let me zoom in on that so we can see it in the camera. All right, cheesecake pudding. There it is. And then next we are going to have 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Here's the 8-ounce cream cheese.
And you're going to soften at room temperature. And then a cup of International Delight French vanilla creamer.
Right here.
Which is right there.
Right there, we got it right there.
Perfect. A pound of strawberries. Yep, there's a pound. That's exactly a pound. It's exactly 16 ounces. Yep, exactly 16 ounces. So perfect. And then we're going to add 4 Mandarin oranges. We're going to peel them and slice them.
Right here. 4 of them?
Yep, take 4 of them out of there.
There we go.
And then a 20-ounce can of pineapple tidbits drained.
Right here. There
you go. 3 kiwis peeled and cut into half moons.
Right here.
Oh, perfect. You got 3 of them out there. And 2 mangoes cut into cube-sized chunks.
Right here.
There's 2 of them. Those are pretty good size. Those are good sized mangoes, actually.
Yeah.
And then a juice of a half of a lemon. And I think. Oh, it's on. There it is. And juice of a half of a lemon.
Right here.
And I think that's to keep your banana from getting getting browned.
And there's a.
So let's get started. In a medium bowl, which that's actually a big one, but we're going to be transferring it, and it'll be easier to do it. So in a medium bowl, first of all, let's cut up the strawberries and get those done so we can rinse them off.
Okay, put them in the strainer.
Yeah, put the strawberries, and you can put the ends right into the blue bowl when you get done with them. Yep, and then cut them down, you know, size or bite size. Yeah. Perfect, and then we'll rinse those off when you're done. Okay, so Brian cut the strawberries up. Let me show you that. He cut them up and they're all ready to go, and he rinsed them off. So now we're going to actually mix up the cream cheese and the French vanilla. So now we're going to do that. So now Brian is going to add the cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese into a bowl. And then he's going to whip the cream cheese until it's smooth. And then you add the dry ingredients. So then you add the pudding. Alright, so there's the cream cheese. He's going to put that in a bowl. And he's going to mix that up.
Okay, mix it up.
So now he's going to, now we're going to add 1 cup of the French vanilla International creamer into a measuring cup. So we'll put 8 ounces in there. We don't want to mix that yet though, because we're going to add the box of pudding first. So 8 ounces in there. Alright. You have your International creamer. You have 8 ounces of that. Okay. We're not going to add that yet. What we're going to add is the box of pudding. So we'll add the box of pudding. And then you want to mix it. And then it says if you need to, add a splash of measured creamer to loosen it up. Yeah, I think the whole thing. I think that's what it says. So mix it really good. And if it gets too thick, then you can add. Oh, there's bugs out here. By the way, we're camping. We're still at Indiana Dunes, so
okay, mix it.
Lawnmowers and things. That's what's going on. Yep, go ahead and mix it. Okay, so it's a little bit dry. So I would add like a splash from your cup, a splash of your International creamer.
A splash. Just
a splash, just a little bit, enough to. There you go. Now mix it. That's good. Now Brian's gonna peel 4 Mandarin oranges. Is that how I pronounce it? Or no, yeah, 4 Mandarin oranges, peeled and sectioned. All right, so we have got 4 Mandarin oranges. There we go. Are you on the last one, dear?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
All right, awesome.
Start peeling them now.
All right. So we have, 4 Mandarin oranges peeled and sectioned. Now we need the 20-ounce of can of pineapple tidbits drained. So we can drain it in this right here, Brian.
Yeah.
And so just pour it in there. Now Brian is going to mix the strawberries with the Mandarin oranges.
There you go.
And mix
You
them
mix
all
them?
up. Kind of mix them. You can use your hands in there. Your hands are clean. So mix them all up. All right, very good. Let me see. Put the bowl. Awesome. All right, so set that aside, and now we're going to take the pineapple and drain it into the container there.
All of it?
All right, so now he's going to, is that going to come off? Be careful so you don't cut yourself. There you go. He's draining the juice because that we can discard. I don't believe we're going to need that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, yep. So now Brian is going to mix the pineapple. So now we have the Mandarin oranges, the strawberries, and the pineapple all in the bowl. We still have to, we still have the mangoes and the kiwi to go. Okay. All right, awesome. We got to peel the mangoes and then peel the kiwi, and then slice those up. Okay, so now we're going to cut a lemon in half and set that aside for a minute until we cut the banana up.
Put the banana
And then yep, and then the banana you can slice and put in, no, stop. We need to put the banana in there.
Here?
No. Yeah. So now we're slicing the banana up. You gotta slice those up like dollar size, just like you'd slice a regular banana. And then we're gonna add half of the juice of a half of a lemon. Okay, so now add the juice of a half of a lemon. Just squeeze it in there. I believe that's just to keep your banana fresh and just to keep it so it doesn't brown. And you can just shake the container a little bit. That'll shake your, not that, but the container. All right, shake it up a little bit.
Yeah, there's a, we need a
seed in there.
seed in there.
I don't want a seed in there. All right, so now that you've done that, oops, you lost your seed. Okay, now that you've done that, you can just set the banana aside, and the last thing to do is, all you have left is a kiwi, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to peel and slice 3 kiwi, and then we add our cream cheese mixture into the fruit.
All right.
Hold it up in the
Look
camera
there.
here. Hold it sideways. Hang on, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna zoom in. Hang on.
Good.
So far, this is what we have. This is all the fruit we've mixed up. Awesome job, Brian. Looks good. Okay, Brian has mixed everything up. So let me see it, Brian. Oh my goodness, Brian. Let me get a close up on that. That looks so awesome. Looks really good. Awesome job. All right, now mix your cream cheese mixture in there.
All of it?
A little at a time, just a little bit, like a few scoops or whatever, and then just mix it and then add more. So we're going to mix that all together. You're really getting into this. We're all done, and that's the final, here, bring that over here, Brian.
What?
The final, final product is right there. I think it was a little soupier than I thought it would be. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be so soupy. But other than that, it was all right. So, my overall take on this was that I think I would have done without the mangoes maybe, because they were messy and stringy and it was just hard to cut them. But, and you can add different fruits, you know. I would probably add more firmer fruits, like, because the cream is really good. The cream cheese with the cheesecake pudding, it's excellent with the vanilla delight creamer.
Come on, Charlie.
But I would have added more firmer, like where you could add the Mandarin oranges, the strawberries. You could probably even add.
It looks like a mango is the one that's got a little juicier.
Yeah, that's too juicy, and that's what made it so liquidy. So I would have gone without the mango. Added green grapes, they're more firmer. So I would have added some different things, maybe a little bit more banana instead of one. But other than that, it does taste good. It's just a little bit little bit. I mean, it makes way too much of this. I mean, we added all the fruits that it said to. So, anyway, that being said, that is your fruit salad with cheesecake recipe.